So I'm going to speak about state court cases in Pennsylvania, which is a large part of my practice. The way a case is initiated is by way of a criminal complaint. That's the initial charging document. And that's all it is. It alleges that you've committed crimes. It lists the crimes and it lists an affidavit of probable cause. The first court appearance is at the district court, which is a local district court. The magisterial district judge, or MDJ as we call them, has two functions there: to set bail at a preliminary arraignment, and then to hear the case in the context of a probable cause hearing or preliminary hearing. To the extent that the district judge finds probable cause, the case goes to the Court of Common Pleas. In the Court of Common Pleas, we have pretrial hearings where I may be alleging to a judge in the Court of Common Pleas that the district judge got it wrong. There isn't probable cause to suspect that my client committed a crime. And/or we could file for suppression of evidence, meaning if they took a statement from the client or they got evidence from the client, they can't use it because they obtained it unconstitutionally. If we prevail on those pretrial motions, then the case could go away. On the other hand, if there are no pretrial motions to litigate and/or we lose them, we still have the ability then to go to trial. Of course, a lot of cases are resolved by way of a guilty plea. Guilty pleas can either be plea agreements, where we agree on both what we did and what the penalty should be, or the sentence, and we take that plea agreement to a judge. And the judge 99 times out of 100 really accepts the plea agreement. The other way that cases are resolved is by way of an open plea, where we agree on what we did, but we don't like what the DA is offering in terms of the penalty or sentencing. So we argue that sentencing in a sentencing hearing to the judge. Normal course of a criminal case, if it goes to trial, could be upwards of a year. In terms of cases that are resolved short of a trial, probably half of that time.